Yoga for migraine headaches. If you're prone to migraines, you know that it is no ordinary headache. The immense pain on one side of the head is often accompanied by nausea, sensitivity to light and dizziness, and can result in feelings of anxiety too. While medication can help the symptoms of migraines, mindfulness practices like yoga can go a long way too. Can migraine be cured by yoga? Specific yoga poses can target tension and stress, which may be contributing to your migraines. Certain poses can help boost circulation and improve blood flow to your brain. This may lessen any pain or throbbing sensations that you're having. The sensations of a migraine reduce as certain poses help boost circulation and improve blood flow to your brain. 1. Downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog pose improves the blood circulation and gives relief from headache. It stretches your body, clears your mind and strengthens your bones. How to do it? Start by coming onto all fours. Exhale and lift up your hips, so that your body is in an inverted V position. Keep your fingers spread and your feet on the floor. Engage your core and gaze down towards your navel. Hold this position for about a couple of minutes or for 5 to 7 deep breaths. Return to the original position. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity, and outdoor sports, a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. 2. Wind-legged forward bend pose, Prasaritapadottanasana. The wind-legged forward bend pose refreshes your brain with oxygenated blood. This asana is one of the best asanas to get relief from migraine, and can be done by those with neck issues, and who cannot do headstands. How to do it? Wind-legged forward bend pose. Start by standing straight, with your hands stretched straight to your side and your feet apart. Your feet should be directly under the same side wrist. Now, bring your hands in front of you and bend forward, until your head touches the floor. Place your palms on the floor. Hold this position for a couple of minutes, and return to the original position. 3. Child pose, Balasana. The child pose calms your mind and body. This pose also stretches your body. How to do it? Child pose. Start by kneeling down on the floor. Now, sit back on your heels, and then bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the floor and stretch your hands forward. Hold this position for a couple of minutes and return to the original position. 4. Head to knee pose, Janusirsana. The head to knee pose aids digestion and also improves blood circulation. How to do it? Start by sitting down on the floor, with your legs stretched in front of you, and your arms at your side. Your back should be straight. Now, bend your left knee, and place the left heel near the groin. Stretch your upper body, and bend forward, touching your forehead, to your right leg. Try to hold your toes. Hold this position for a couple of seconds, and return to the original position. Now repeat the same with the other leg. 5. Standing forward bend pose. The standing forward bend pose increases the blood circulation to refresh your nervous system. It also calms your mind. How to do it? Stand straight, with your feet together, and your hands at your side. Inhale and lift up your hands, above your head. Exhale and bend forward, from your hips, bringing your hands towards your feet. Try to touch the floor. Hold this position for half a minute, and return to the original position. 6. Bridge pose, or Setubandhasana. A major trigger for migraines can be holding tension in the shoulders and neck. To remedy, the bridge pose can release tension in the upper body, and increases blood supply to the brain, as the heart is lifted above the head. Lie on your back and maintain a hip distance between your feet and bring your knees up. Keep your palms face down, beside your body, and slowly lift your back and seat, such that your chest touches your chin, supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms and feet. Keep your thighs parallel to each other to maintain the pose. Keep breathing, hold the posture for a minute and exhale. Finally cool off with palming. Palming, which was originally invented by Tibetan yogis, is done in darkness, with the palms cupping the eyes. Relax your back and shoulders, rub your hands together vigorously to warm them. Then place your palms over your eyes, don't press the eye sockets and don't lean on the cheekbones. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.